In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your email address in Dark War Survival. First, open the game on your device and go to your profile. Tap on your avatar icon. Then look for the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, often located in the bottom corner of the screen. Inside Settings, find and tap on Support. From there, scroll down and select Customer Service or Contact Support at the bottom. This will open a chat window with an automated chatbot. Tell the chatbot clearly that you want to change your email address. The bot will guide you through the initial steps. It may ask you to verify your identity by providing details about your account, such as your character nickname or UID. If the chatbot cannot complete the process, you will be given the option to contact a live customer service representative. Once connected to a real person, explain your request again and provide any additional information they ask for. You may also need to send an email directly to the support team at support@darkwarsurvival.com with your request and account details. Be prepared to provide proof of ownership, such as your current email, password, phone number, or purchase receipts to verify that you are the legitimate account holder. After the support team verifies your identity, they will change your email to the new address you provide. The process usually takes around 15 minutes. That's it. You've successfully changed your email in Dark War Survival.